All right, everybody, welcome to another unboxing. As some of you may have seen, I did recently just do the Astro A30s, and unfortunately I ran into some microphone issues. So when I got to work, they didn't have any other replacements once I went to do the exchange. So I chose to go with something that I swore I probably would not, and that's a Razer option. Razer's a brand I normally don't use and have never spent any money on any of their products before. And this is the first time. It's the second time I've had one of their products, but the first I've actually spent my own money on it. Reason is I've always been a fan of competitors like Logitech. And aside from that, oh, this is not the best tool for this. Aside from that, I've never had an issue. I've also tried other brands like SteelSeries, of course, Astro, HyperX. If you saw my quick video in short on the HyperX Cloud Mix buds, should have kept those. I could have kept those, but I didn't like the Bluetooth quality. It would cut in and out when I was watching videos. It also had some cut in and out even when I was running 2.4 on my Steam Deck. Now, that's one of the main reasons for what I'm doing. Obviously, as you guys know, I do have a Steam Deck. I also have gaming laptops. I have high-end phones, tablets, and things like that. And I want devices that will coexist with as many of them as possible. I do have my Buds Pro 2 from Samsung that I'm using right now. And they are great, especially at the gym, because of the connection quality they have. But aside from that, I also have the Project Rocks from JBL as a backup. But again, I've been wanting something that had some gaming mode features, and that I could also use my phone while gaming. Now, from what I'm reading on this, I'm probably going to need. It's probably not going to do exactly what I want, but I guess we'll see when we test them. So here's the Razers. Nice presentation. You open it, similar in many ways to the Astro A30s, and when you open it, you do have a case. Again, very similar, not the same shape, but the same kind of design as the Astro A30s. A very small hinge here with a wrist strap. And let's pull all this out of the way. Well, let's sit this down first and then see what else is in the box here. I believe that's everything. If I open this, it's probably just our information about the Barracuda Pro. Now, this is supposed to be their top of the line. It has Bluetooth plus 2.4. It has a USB-C dongle, which we will see here in just a moment. Try to put it away as nicely as possible, because if I do not like it, I obviously will return them. It's a nice thing about return policies. You can find out if you like something. So I've already opened this, so we're going to open it up. Nice little Razer logo here that you can actually feel. Is there one on the back as well? Nope, nothing on the back. So let's open this up. And here they are. Now, I'm not a big fan of black headphones. I prefer like a white or a grayish, which is one of the reasons I chose the Astros. They match my setup. But then again, like I said, the microphone didn't work very well. Now, the first thing I'm going to notice here is the pads are not removable like they are on the Astro A30s. The Astro A30s had a magnetic. I don't think I did that on my video, but you could pop them right off. They were just magnets. So that's a benefit that may actually make me want to switch back to them if I can find one that I don't have microphone issues in Discord. USB-C at the bottom. You can see the microphones built in. These also are active noise canceling. Hybrid active noise cancellation technology that they put in here. So this is going to be one advantage over the Astro A30s. Instead of noise isolation, it's going to be noise canceling. One little pad here at the top, very thin. It's like a thin memory foam, and it's similar to the ear pads, but the ear pads are a little softer. Looks like here we have our power button. Oh, that's our mute. Our switch. This is supposed to be the Razer Smart Switch Dual Wireless there. Our power button. and the rest are just microphones. These do not fold, just like the Astro A30s do not fold. They're made to specifically go inside of here. So they would twist like that. The presentation is very similar. These definitely had, I would assume, the same production company that did both the Astros and these. Oh, one difference here is there's actually a magnetic flip here that this is actually built into the actual case. You can see here I cannot pull it up. It's actually got razor embroidered on it. So you open this up. Oh, not gonna have any humidity in there. All right, so this is supposed to be a USB-C dongle in here. Let's see what we have here. We have a USB-C extension, it looks like. Is this an A to C? Yes, A to C obviously has the green from Razer. And then here we have another, this is the actual A to C cable. And then there should be a dongle in here somewhere. Oh, there's a little flap here. Let's pull this out of the way. There's a little flap that holds the actual dongle. That is nifty, very nifty. And it is USB-C. Got an interesting look to it, shape to it. I'll actually have to get my Steam Deck out to see how it fits on here. I'll do something about that after we're done with this unboxing, because it's gonna have to sit into the right. I think this might actually cover the power button, which I guess is fine while you're gaming, but you're gonna have to lift it up to put it to sleep. So we'll put that back in. These have rubber. It's like a rubber clip. Yep, it has Razer on it. So again, we got the USB-C cable and we have the USB-C extender there and a USB cable here. The extender will come in handy. I'll probably use that for multiple things. And this is braided. Don't know how high quality this actually is. Yeah, so as you'll see here, everything is braided. All right, so that's my unboxing. Let's see if there's anything else on here we missed. Let's flip it around, take a look here. No logos on the inside for the left and right. There's a Bluetooth logo at the top here. I don't know if you can see that on the video. Yep, you should be able to see that. And then serial numbers and everything like that there. Again, only thing on here is your switch, your power, and your mute. There is no microphone that comes off of this, so all the actual gaming microphone and everything is built in, which is a very nice feature. However, Astro A30s that we just talked about on Tuesday, it had a detachable and a built-in, so it was a combination of both. All right. Tell me what you guys think about the initial unboxing. I will do some shorts later today and tomorrow on the outcome of the quality. I will also do probably take some pictures and put them in the community tab of how it fits in the Steam Deck. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments. Check the about page for my Twitter, and we'll talk to you later.